ACCEL Performance Distributors have always been known as a go-to when looking for performance at a great price. Whether you're rebuilding the stock engine in your daily driver or putting together a fresh power plant for your street machine project, there's an ACCEL distributor to fit your needs and your budget. The Chevy and Ford small blocks have always been a popular choice when bolting together a fun car, as they're plentiful, make great reliable power, and tend to be easy on your wallet. Keeping that in mind, ACCEL has a number of solutions for you when it comes time to build your performance ignition system. From stock to race, all of our distributors are built to deliver performance at a great price. And they're not just for fresh builds either. An ACCEL distributor may be just the answer if your current engine is starting to run rough or struggling to hold proper spark timing. And if you're putting your project together in stages, an ACCEL Performance Distributor may be the next step in getting even more power out of your engine. Featuring all new cast aluminum housings and high quality distributor gears for durability, we've built a solid foundation with sintered bronze bushings and OEM style ignition modules to ensure trouble-free service. The supplied black distributor cap features brass terminals and complements virtually any engine bay. With models for both pre- and computer-controlled engines, you can be sure that we have your application covered. The ACCEL Performance Distributor for the Ford small block, part number 59210, is a drop-in stock replacement for the 1986 through 93 5-liter high-output engine and comes with an OEM-style TFI ignition module. It's also equipped with a steel gear for the hydraulic roller camshaft. Again, the sintered bronze bushings and cast aluminum housing help to ensure many miles of trouble-free service, and the included instructions make installation guest-free. For the small block Chevy enthusiast, ACCEL Performance Distributors come in a variety of models to suit nearly every application. If you're looking for a performance replacement HEI distributor, part number 59130 is a direct plug-in with OE-type connectors for your already HEI-equipped pre-computer car or truck. You'll find the same high-quality cast aluminum housing and sintered bronze bushings, and the OEM-style module is included, as is a new coil installed into the cap, making this a very budget-friendly upgrade right out of the box. If you're looking for a small-cap HEI distributor for your 1988 through 95 Chevy engine, look to the ACCEL Performance part number 59131 distributor. This model has all the high-quality features and the same budget-friendly and easy install advantages, and comes with a cap and OEM-style module. If you're wrenching on a 1996 through 2000 Vortec, ACCEL's part number 59132 is the answer to your budget ignition system. Featuring the same high-quality components like a cast aluminum casing and sintered bronze bushings for long life, this distributor includes an OEM-style module. The included correct-to-cap firing order distributor cap with brass terminals keeps your engine bay looking clean and organized. With so many budget-conscious models available, ACCEL Performance Distributors are a great way to upgrade and keep your ride running smooth without making your wallet backfire. Thanks for watching. For a complete list of vehicle applications, visit our website at accel-ignition.com.